All right, so we'll do a little review here. 432 minus 741. I'm trying to fool you. Can you find the error? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's right. You can't do that. The 700 is big. Remember, in subtraction, the bigger number has to be on top.
Hello, and I'm on there.
You can't do this problem. So I was trying to fool you because the bigger number is not on top. And for subtraction, the bigger number has to be on top.
What did Mr. Gallagher go?
I don't know.
Did they go for a run?
I don't know.
Going for the next review problem. How about 40 minus 32? That sounds pretty easy, but I do have the evil 0. So we know we have to borrow. Just practicing that. We take $1 from the 4, which is 40. We turn it to 3. The $1 goes there, and we have 10 minus 2, which is 8 actually. 8, check it, 9, 10. And then 3 minus 3 is nothing.
Well,
8 is the correct answer.
Yeah, I mean, they're like Call of Duty. Not mine here.
All right, sorry about that. Back. And what if we did one more digit there? Let me show you what I mean. We'll say 40 and 32 and just kind of add to it.
You were here the whole time.
So I got 400 minus 320. And all I'm doing really is just seeing if you are afraid of that evil 0. There's the minus sign. We are subtracting. Bigger number is on top, so we're good there. And I ask myself, okay, this guy needs $1. He needs $1. He's going to look over to the left, say, can I borrow $1? The 0 says no. So we're going to go to a bigger bank, and I might use a box to show you. We're actually going to be borrowing $1 from 40. And that turns into 39, because I take $1 away from 40, I get 39. There's my extra $1. And then, wait a minute, I didn't have to borrow, because I'm taking 0 minus 0. So you see, I automatically got involved in trying to borrow because I saw the evil 0, but I didn't think to myself, 0 take away 0 is simply 0. I have no need to borrow.
It's 8:30.
So I made a mistake. And all of this has to be redone. So that's 40 again. 40 there. I don't need any of that business. But 0 minus 2, I do have to borrow. And I get a 3 here. There's my 1. 10. Take away 2 is 8. And then 3 take away 3, well, that's nothing, so I just leave that blank. So I have 80. So I just try to show you that sometimes the evil 0 is unnecessary to do the box and the borrowing, because the bottom number is really what you got to pay attention to. Do I need to borrow? That one ended up being kind of messy. All right, we'll try another one here. Delete. Red 400. So there's 400 again, minus 300. This time I'm going to put a 1 right here, because then I know I do have to borrow. Watch this. Green. My rows are clean. I have room for borrowing. 0 minus 1. I can't do that. So he really is sad. He does have to get $1. And I am going to go to the bank this time and borrow $1 and make him 39. And there's my extra $1 there. 10. Take away $1 is $9. All right, so far so good. Hey, the rest is easy. 9. Take away 2 is 7. Check that. 7, 8, 9. 3 take away 3, well, is nothing, so I'll just leave it. Oh, I'm done. So in this case, I did have to borrow because this 1 is bigger than this 0. Moving on. All right, we'll try something new. Try something different here. And what else have we been practicing? 22 times 14. Let's see how you do with multiplication. How are my rows? Nice and clean. Do I have room to borrow? I do. Do I have room at the bottom? Because I'm going to need a couple rows. I am. So we have 2 digits on the bottom this time. And that is your challenge to master this month. So I'm going to think, well, I have a box at the bottom. And I have 2 rows. And what does every kid forget? The evil 0. And there he is. I just like to get him out of the way with, because I know if I get that out of the way with, my chances of success are much higher. All right, well, we know that there's the 4 in the 1's place. His business is going to be in the top row. And then the 1, which is actually 10, his business is going to be in the bottom row. And so then I just get my cool arrows ready to go. Try a little purple today. Here we go. And 4 times the 2, there's my first arrow, is 8. And then my second arrow, of course, you know, goes to the next number. 4 times 2 is 8. And then the number 1, again, follows the same exact pattern as the 2 purple arrows. And that's nice. We don't have to be getting tricky here. 1, just follow the first arrow. 1 times the 2 is 2. And 1 times the 2 again is 2 again. Well, that's not bad. And you know what I'm going to ask myself? How am I doing? Am I clean? Yeah, I'm clean. 8 plus 0 is 8. And, oops, there we go. 8 plus 2 is 10, but I can't draw the 10. So I'll put the 0 there, and I carry the 1. And I get 3. That's a weird looking 3. Let me try that again. 3. All right, 308. That's it, folks. That's it. Not bad for a Monday. Hope you're having a great day. Please go fix your hair. Hug your mom. Create a big smile. Have a lovely bowl of cereal. And I'll catch you later. Cut camera, over and out.